Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So on my Instagram I put a question box and I asked what videos you guys wanted to see next, and a ton of you were saying just my everyday natural makeup with the links to the products. So that's what I'm going to do for you guys. I know I have done a makeup tutorial in the past, but I definitely do my makeup a lot different. So if you want to see what products I use, just stay tuned. Missing someone. So the first thing I'm going to use is just some moisturizer. I kind of just switched this up just because I don't know what is best for my face. I have extremely dry skin. No matter how many times I moisturize a day, my forehead and my nose peel really bad, like they just flake. So I actually just placed an order for Curology. I know they're like more into like acne, I guess, but they also said that they have formulas for like really dry skin, which I do, and also for like my discolorization. So I will let you all know what I think about it whenever I get mine. I just know my friend Abby, she got it and she was obsessed with it. She had like pretty bad acne, and so she got it and it's literally cleared her skin up amazing. So I don't know, we'll see about mine. Like I said, I don't really have a ton of acne, it's just mostly dry skin and discolorization. So the next thing I want to do is primer. Sometimes I prime my face, sometimes I don't. I don't know. I'm not consistent with primer, but that's fine. I just use the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Jeffree Star did some like review and it was like sold out forever. And now like you can finally get it, but there for a while it was sold out. So the next thing is obviously foundation. I love foundations. I have a ton. So my go-to for high-end is definitely the Tarte hydrating formula. I have used this for years now. I always get it whenever Tarte does their like $63 deal. So it's like a makeup bag with foundation, concealer, like all that. Whenever it comes up again this year, I will make sure to tell you guys about it. And then I just picked this one up at the dollar store just because it had SPF. It's the Maybelline Fit Me, but it's the Dewy and Smooth. So yeah, I just wanted a foundation that had some SPF. So it's starting to get warm outside and I was like, ooh, I'll try that. And then this one I have been using forever as well. I think it's like $5 or $6, and I think I used it in my last makeup video. It's the e.l.f. I think it's the Flawless Finish. I just love this so much. It's a really good dupe for this one. So today I think I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline just to switch it up. So it may look like it doesn't match, and well, that's because it doesn't match, but I self-tan and it's gonna match my neck. So yeah, if you're like, oh my gosh, it doesn't match your face. Yeah, it really doesn't match my face, but it will match my whole body once I blend it in. So next up is concealer, and I feel like this is everyone's holy grail. It is the Tarte Shape Tape, but I will say, once again, I have super dry skin, and this is kind of drying underneath my eyes, so I've been adding this like Maybelline concealer with it just to give it a more, I don't know, like a moist look. But also I like to use this L'Oreal. It is also kind of drying, but super full coverage, and it is drugstore. And then the Makeup Revolution one too. I don't always grab this one, but it is pretty good. So yeah, I'm just going to use my Shape Tape and then add some of that Maybelline in to make it not as dry. Okay, now that the concealer is on, this is probably where everyone is going to come for me, but I do not bake anymore. If I use any powder at all, which I have been with this new foundation because it is pretty dewy as you can tell, I will lightly just cover my face a little bit with a brush. But yeah, I do not bake anymore, like I said, and like I'm going to say 1,000 times in this video, my skin is so dry, it just does not look good whatsoever whenever I put a lot of powder on it. So yeah, that is it. I do not put a ton of powder on. It just does not look good. So the next thing I'm going to do is bronze my face. I have been using the natural bronzer. I've used this for so many years and I'm back using it again. I'm using it in the color Sundance. So yeah, super cheap, using the e.l.f. brush. I feel like a lot of my makeup is just like drugstore. So all these products are really affordable. I don't do a ton of bronzer either. Like I said, this is just like a natural everyday makeup. I don't know. I take like maybe 10 minutes out of my day and do this. And then the next thing I want to do is kind of contour my nose. Like, again, nothing crazy, just lightly going over the shadows of my nose. Okay, now that I am all bronzed up, I'm going to put some blush on. I just use some blush from Tarte. This thing is amazing. It's not on their website right now. It was like limited edition. I feel like it's a holiday thing. So if this does come back online, I will definitely make sure to tell you guys about it because this is my favorite thing ever. I think it was like $39 for this, this brush and a thing of mascara, which is insane. So yeah, I just dip in to the blush. This is really like one of my favorite combos for blush. I also like their orangey blush as well. Love that for summer. An orangey tone blush for summer is just so cute. So yeah, I just put it on my cheeks and then sometimes a little bit on my nose and my forehead. And then with that same palette, I'm just going to lightly put highlighter on. I don't know why, but I do not like highlighter as much now either. So seriously, just barely tapping it on. I do like it on my brow bone, but I just don't really like it on my cheeks that much. So yeah, I just do that, Cupid's bow. And then if I'm feeling frisky, I'll do the slightest bit on my nose. I just don't really like highlighter anymore, but don't come for me. I know everyone is like highlighter obsessed. It's just not my favorite right now. So the next thing is brows, and this is probably the most commented on for like my face makeup is my brows. Everyone is always asking how I do my brows. As you can see, they are pretty blonde. So I use this Maybelline Total Temptation. It's a brow definer. I know a lot of people use the Anastasia, but I use this one. It's drugstore and it works so well. So yeah, I guess I will show you how I do my brows. It's really nothing special. I just start at like the front of them and just go under. And just, I basically just follow the shape of my brow and then fill everything in. If you guys don't really care about my brows, you can go ahead and skip through this part, but I just know a ton of y'all always comment about my brows, so thought I would show you how I do at least one brow. So yeah, I just follow the outline of it, and then I know some people may cringe, but if I mess up, I'll just like squeeze it. After I do my eyebrow, I would normally put brow gel on, but I'm currently out of brow gel. And normally I would just go to like Walmart and get some more, but with the, circumstances right now, I have not been going to Walmart. I need to place an order, but yeah, that is what I would do for brows. Alright, and if I'm feeling a little frisky, I will do a little bit of eyeshadow. Once again, I'm going to go into my Tarte palette, open this bad boy up, and use like this shade and a little bit of this shade, and just put it on the outer part of my eye. Again, nothing crazy, just to kind of give my eye some dimension. I wish I could learn how to do like winged liner, but I just don't. And also it doesn't really look that good on me. So I'm just gonna blend this out and I'm gonna call it a day. Like I said, this isn't my natural makeup look like every day. So if I was, you know, going to an event or something, obviously I would do more, but yeah, I'm just staying at home, so I'm not gonna do a full eye look. So I actually will put a little bit of highlight in the corner of my eye. Just a little bit, not a lot. Literally the slightest amount, like that. And then to kind of clean up this eyeshadow, I will just take the pointy end of my blender and just kind of pull it up, kind of giving you that cat eye look, but then also like just cleaning up the shadows. Probably you shouldn't drag it, but I'm not a beauty guru. And then the next thing I would do is curl my eyelashes and put on mascara. Alright, mascara is on. I just use this Lash Paradise. It is a drugstore mascara. I really enjoy it. I will say it does dry a little faster than most, but it just makes your lashes look so good and full. And then I will add some powder on my sponge and just kind of carve out this. I don't really know, just carving out my face. Let that sit while I do my lipstick. Now lipstick is probably my favorite. Y'all know I love my Kylie lipsticks, but I honestly have been loving some of Pixie's lipsticks. So I put this on and a tip to make it look like you have fuller lips. I overline at the top and the bottom. I don't on the sides. And then I kind of don't give myself a Cupid's bow. I just kind of go like straight across. And that has really helped my lips look more pouty. So that's what I do for lips. Okay, lipstick is on and I'm a huge gloss girl. So I'm going to put on this lipstick by Kylie. It's her collection with Chloe, her sister. This is my favorite shade ever. Once again, I will make sure to add the links to everything down below for you guys. Oh my gosh, I just love this gloss. So yeah, that is what it looks like. It's so shiny and just, oh, I love gloss so much. And before I go, I'm going to dust off that powder. And I wanted to share this lipstick with you guys as well. It is the Revlon, I think it's like HD, oh, the Ultra HD. And I get it in the shade Seduction. And if you are a huge Kylie fan like me and you love Candy K, this is an exact dupe to her Candy K and the Velvet formula. So with that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed my natural makeup look. I know a ton of you have been asking for it, so here it is. Once again, I will leave the links down below to all of the products for you guys, and I hope you enjoy. Bye guys!